Hi, I'm Sophie. I'm born and raised in Los Angeles, and I am a certified holistic nutritionist. My main goal is really to inspire people to eat healthier, be more mindful. I'm really passionate about clean and sustainable products, and really I want to empower people through the power of food. My mom is a huge fan of Source Naturals. She uses all of the products, including the wellness formula, and that led me to find the Herbal Resistance Liquid. I love that it's an all herbal plant power, and I incorporate it into my day-to-day with my smoothies and my lattes. My favorite recipe that I make with the Herbal Resistance Liquid is an iced matcha oat milk latte. I start by taking a tablespoon of matcha powder and mix that with some warm water. And then I take a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten it. And I add about half a teaspoon of the Herbal Resistance Liquid. And then mix it again. And I'll add this with some oat milk over ice. And then I just give it a final swirl, and that's it. And I love it because the Herbal Resistance Liquid does not affect the taste at all. It's so yummy. When I start my day with Herbal Resistance Liquid, I know I'm doing something good for my immune system right out of the gate, and I'm doing it with plant power.